Hello everyone, Candy here, your prevention and education specialist. Welcome to your first tip of the week video. Today I am going to focus on stress management. I'm sure a lot of you have heard these tips before, but that's okay. Refreshers are always good. So my first tip for you is to find the joy in every day. Not every day will be great, but you can always find something great within every day if you look hard enough. So start a gratitude journal. Laugh more with folks. Let your hair down. Just relax a little bit. Second tip, self-care. I am horrible at this. Great at taking care of other people, not so good at taking care of myself. However, if you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to be very good at taking care of others because it will catch up to you. So self-care does not have to look like a weekend away at the spa, although who doesn't want that? Self-care can look like putting down your chores and picking up a book. Self-care can look like a bubble bath. Self-care can look like being outside and taking a walk. Studies have shown that being outside in the fresh air for 10 minutes a day can reduce anxiety and lower stress. So, it does not have to be very time involved for you to practice self-care. My last tip for you is to breathe. I'm sure a lot of you have heard breathing exercises. You may not know what they're for. We've got all kinds of search engines out there for you to look up studies if you would like, or you can YouTube video breathing exercises, but they are impactful on reducing physical reactions to stress. So one very short breathing exercise that you can practice in a stressful situation is to breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and breathe out for a count of 8. So it does not take very long. You can do this a few times, but it is effective in reducing stress. So for 4, hold for 7, for 8. If any of you have any tips or tricks for stress reduction that you feel that we would benefit from, please feel free to post it in the comments, and I will talk to you next week.